tonight, and people have donated about $2,000 of their $30,000 goal. WHIO TV tonight is sending Cheryl McHenry and James Ryder out west to LA to cover the Super Bowl for you. They will be live in LA all next week leading up to the game. You know, with so many Bengals fans out there, we want to share some people's Bengals pride. If that is you, please send us pictures of you decked out in your Bengals clothes. You can do that by going to our WHIO News app, then click Upload Photos on the bottom right.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast with Chief Meteorologist McCall Vrydaghs.
Several days we've been talking about this big storm that's coming from Canada. Concerns about, first of all, a lot of rain, and then snow and ice, and then strong winds as well over the next couple of days, McCall.
Yeah, we have every type of winter weather that's going to be moving into the Miami Valley over the next couple of days. It is by far the biggest impactful weather system that we've had this winter season thus far, and really, it's been a few years since we've had such a storm system like this, and we are going to be dealing with the impacts of it for at least 24, maybe 36 or 48 hours. Right now, we do have a winter storm warning that has been issued across the northern Miami Valley, winter storm watch across the south, and we'll break that down in just a couple of moments here. But first, let's show our radar. Regionally, we are quiet in the Buckeye State. Rain is already entering areas such as Indiana, northwest Ohio, and then into central Illinois. But we have snow already on the backside of this system. This strong cold front is going to bring in the colder air and that transition over to snow eventually. It will take some time, though, for that to occur. So be mindful. When it comes in, it's initially rain, so crews are unable to get out and pre-treat these roadways. That will have a big impact for us if you need to be traveling out and about on Thursday. Ice could also cause some power outages. Best chance for that will be south of the Dayton area, down closer to Cincinnati, and I have your ice accumulation map in a few moments as well. And then once we transition over to snow, blizzard-like conditions are possible as we will have blowing and drifting snow. All right, here's a look at that alert map for you. You can see what's shaded in blue. That's your watch. You will be upgraded to a warning by likely tomorrow morning, and we will all be under that winter storm warning that starts in the afternoon and lasts through Friday morning. So again, more than a 24-hour time frame that we will have the impacts of this system. We'll get right to your snow total forecast. As you can see, far north and west, from Troy to Salina, Wapakoneta, you fall in that 8 to 12-inch snowfall potential. You have 6 to 10 in this band that stretches from Urbana back to Richmond, getting into southern Montgomery County to northern Butler County and Warren County, 3 to 6, and then 1 to 3 inches southeast of that. If that wasn't bad enough, we have ice that's going to be underneath that snow. A glaze across the north, and then those higher snow totals moving into the Dayton area could see as much as a 1/4 inch of snow, which could create some outages, but more likely when you get that 1/4 to 1/2 inch of ice potential closer down to Cincinnati and in Clinton County, those are your big concerns. All right, radar and satellite imagery. Few showers starting to push in from the northwest. Big picture view. There's that changeover near St. Louis and back into northwestern Illinois, into northern Missouri, over to snowfall. There's a ton of moisture that's feeding in with the system. We start out as rain tomorrow morning, and through most of the day Wednesday is a steady, widespread, chilly rain. We have temps in the 40s. You may see some snow and a wintry mix change over northwest during the early afternoons of Wednesday. Then as we head into Wednesday evening, you start to see the cold air winning out. We're past sunset. We get rain to freezing rain, sleet, and snow. Overnight Wednesday night into Thursday, more likely we have sleet occurring southeast and snow north and west. There's 7 a.m. We watch the battleground shifting southeast from freezing precipitation over to that snowfall by noontime. Most of us are already all snow, and we track that snow through the day Thursday before it begins to taper into Thursday night. Now, dealing with the winds Thursday, you can see by midday, when most of us are already over to snow, we have winds gusting 25 to 30 miles per hour, some locally higher gusts there into and through your Thursday evening. So as far as travel is concerned, fair conditions tomorrow. We have that steady rain. Thursday, not great at all. We have icy and snowy conditions. Still some residual slick spots on Friday, but by Saturday and Sunday, we will see much better travel conditions across the Miami Valley. So again, while you're hunkering down for at least 24 to 48 hours, by the weekend, you should be able to get out and about and do what you may have to get done that perhaps you didn't get done before this storm moved in. Temperatures, though, are very cold after this system exits, and we wake up below zero on Saturday, only to reach a high in the 20s. We'll see more sunshine and highs in the upper 20s to low 30s through early next week.
And tonight, a packed gym watched as Franklin High School retired